Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Whiteside Router Bits is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any woodworker's arsenal, and today we're diving deep into why these particular bits stand out from the crowd, offering unparalleled precision, durability, and versatility for a wide range of projects, from intricate cabinetry to robust furniture making, ensuring your cuts are always clean, your edges are always sharp, and your finished pieces are always professional grade. Number 5. Whiteside RU2100 Spiral Upcut Router Bit. Introducing the Whiteside RU2100, a solid carbide upcut spiral router bit. It features a 1/4-inch cutting diameter, 1/4-inch shank, and 1-inch cutting length for precise woodworking. This bit is ideal for achieving smooth finishes and rapid chip removal. Its upcut spiral design creates a clean edge on the material, ensuring a professional look. The upward cutting action efficiently removes chips, especially in deep cuts. Its spiral helix ensures clean, crisp cuts that outperform standard straight bits. This plunge-capable bit is perfect for precision woodworking. It excels at creating grooves, dados, slots, pockets, and more with ease. It performs best with hardwoods, softwoods, plywood, MDF, and hard plastics. This makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of woodworking applications. Designed for use with handheld routers, router tables, and CNC machines. It is suitable for a wide variety of applications, offering flexibility and performance. What we like. This bit is designed for efficient chip removal and smooth finishes. If you are looking for a bit that excels in deep cuts and provides clean, crisp results, this is a great choice. It's perfect for plunge-capable tasks like creating grooves and dados. What people say. The Whiteside router bits are made from high-quality carbide, ensuring durability and a clean cut every time. The unique shear angle design on these bits allows for smoother operation and reduces tear out in hardwoods. I was impressed by the precision machining of the Whiteside router bits. They are perfectly balanced and run true, even at high speeds. Number 4. Whiteside 6220 CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Introducing the Whiteside 6220, a specialized router bit designed for CNC spoilboard surfacing. It ensures a smooth and high-quality finish on your projects. This bit features a 1/2-inch shank and a 2-inch cut diameter, with 4 wings for stability. Its carbide tip design ensures longevity and efficient surfacing. The 4-flute design is engineered to deliver an exceptionally smooth and flat surface. It's perfect for flattening slabs or resurfacing your CNC spoilboard with precision. Crafted with carbide tips, it offers a long lifespan, making it an economical choice for surfacing tasks. The generous cut diameter means fewer passes are needed. This tool performs exceptionally well on natural woods, composite woods, hard plastics, and epoxy. Expect clean and precise cuts across a wide range of materials. What we like. This bit is engineered for surfacing and flattening, delivering an ultra-smooth finish. If you need to resurface a CNC spoilboard or flatten large slabs, its generous diameter means fewer passes. It offers long life and economical surfacing. What people say. The bits are sharp and cut cleanly. They hold up well to heavy use. The bearing spins smoothly and doesn't seize up. Number 3. Whiteside Router Bits RU5200T Spiral Bit. Introducing the Whiteside Router Bits RU5200T, a powerful 3-flute spiral bit designed for precision woodworking. Experience superior performance and cleaner finishes with this solid carbide tool. Its 3-flute design ensures a cleaner finish and more efficient chip ejection, especially on hardwoods. This means smoother, more precise cuts with less mess. The advanced 3-flute configuration allows for higher feed rates, boosting your cutting efficiency and productivity. Get faster results, particularly when using CNC machines. The upcut spiral action is ideal for rapid chip removal and achieving smooth finishes. It creates a clean edge on the material surface farthest from the router. With its upward cutting action, this bit efficiently removes chips, even in deep cuts. The spiral helix guarantees clean, crisp results that outperform standard straight bits. This plunge-capable bit is perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks. It excels at creating grooves, dados, slots, pockets, and much more with precision. What we like. With its 3-flute design, this bit offers enhanced cutting efficiency and productivity. If you work with hardwoods and desire cleaner finishes with faster results, especially on CNC machines, this is the bit for you. It also provides excellent chip ejection. What people say. The Whiteside Router Bits are known for their exceptional sharpness and durability, ensuring clean cuts and a long lifespan. Users appreciate the precise engineering of Whiteside Router Bits, which allows for intricate detailing and smooth operation in various woodworking applications. The carbide tipping on Whiteside Router Bits is of high quality, providing excellent resistance to wear and maintaining sharpness even after extensive use. Number 2. Whiteside Router Bits 401 Basic Router Bit Set. Discover the Whiteside Router Bits 401 Basic Router Bit Set. This versatile set is designed to meet your essential routing needs. It includes 7 of the most frequently used 1-2 shank bits. This ensures efficiency and versatility for all your projects. The set features a 3/8 radius cove bit, a 3/8 by 1-2 rabbet bit, a 3/8 roundover bit, and a 45 degrees chamfer bit. It also includes 1-4 straight, 1-2 straight, and 1-2 flush trim bits. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included durable, hardened plastic case. It's perfect for easy storage and transport. These bits are perfect for working with natural woods, composite woods, and hard plastics. Achieve clean and precise cuts on a wide range of surfaces. What we like. This set provides 7 of the most frequently used router bits for versatile applications. If you are a beginner or need a reliable collection of essential bits for various tasks like cove, rabbet, roundover, and straight cuts, this is an excellent value. It comes organized in a durable case. What people say. The bits are sharp and cut cleanly, leaving a smooth finish. They hold up well to heavy use and maintain their sharpness. The variety of profiles available allows for a wide range of creative possibilities. Number 1. Whiteside Ultimate Trim Router Bit. Introducing the Whiteside Ultimate Trim Router Bit, engineered for superior performance. This tool is built with solid carbide for durability and features a unique 2+2 compression spiral design. Experience the ultimate in flush trimming with this heavy-duty bit. Crafted from premium micrograin carbide and induction brazed onto a steel shank, it ensures enhanced strength and exceptional performance. The 7/8-inch cutting diameter offers a wider sweep for cleaner cuts. It effectively shears wood fibers, delivering perfectly smooth results even on challenging wood grain. Choose from multiple design options including flush trim, plunge pattern, and double bearing. With a 1 to 1/8-inch cutting length, it provides versatility for precise routing applications. This tool combines the benefits of upcut and downcut edges in one. Its compression spiral design allows it to perform like 2 separate bits, offering unparalleled efficiency. It is compatible with both hand routers and router tables. This flexibility ensures precision for a wide range of woodworking tasks. What we like. This bit combines upcut and downcut spiral actions for superior performance in one tool. If you need perfectly smooth cuts, even through difficult wood grain, and desire the benefits of 2 bits in one for tasks like flush trimming and pattern routing, this is your ultimate solution. What people say. The bits are sharp and cut cleanly. These bits are very durable and hold up well to heavy use. The bearing on this bit is smooth and allows for easy routing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.